Hey everyone, it's Karen, and so you want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. So you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 YouTube channel ideas where you never have to get on camera or show your face. Now you can do this for completely free starting out, and as you grow, you can outsource this and have a team that makes all the videos for you. I have a friend who just started a second YouTube channel, just got it monetized, and he makes thousands of dollars a month, and he doesn't make any of the videos himself. There are a lot of people that are doing this, and they don't have any special skills. They just put in the work. So I promise you, you can do this too. But make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm going to share with you how you can double and even triple your income with little to no extra work. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first YouTube channel idea without showing your face is in the luxury niche. And an example channel is called Top Luxury. Let's take a look at this channel. It's really cool. They have 481,000 subscribers. If we take a look at vidIQ, this is a free Google Chrome extension, you can see they get 17,000 subscribers a month, and their last 4 videos got millions of views. And again, they never show their face on this channel. You can see their most popular video got 27 million views, and that was just 2 months ago. Let's take a look at their Social Blade stats, which kind of gives you an idea of how much money they make every month from ad revenue. And just in case you don't know, it takes 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to get approved for Google AdSense, and that's where advertisers place ads on your videos. And I know for a fact a luxury niche is a very high CPM, which is the amount of money that advertisers pay per 1,000 views. So if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, you can see it's anywhere from $929 to $14,900. And I know for a fact it's much more than this, because if we take a look right here, this is based on 25 cents per CPM to $4 per CPM. So advertisers pay a lot more than $4 per 1,000 views for this niche, and I would say this would be anywhere from 5 to 9 times this amount. So they make a lot of money every single month on this channel. The next channel idea without showing your face is cryptocurrency. This is a very popular niche right now. An example channel is Satoshi Stacker. I think I'm pronouncing that right. But they talk about anything having to do with cryptocurrency, and he does like a screen capture, but he never shows his face on camera. You can see this latest video 21 hours ago has 376 views per hour. So that one's doing really well. They have about 2,000 subscribers a month, and their most popular video is 300,000 views. If we take a look at their Social Blade stats, you can see right here, again, it's based on 25 cents to $4. And I know for a fact, this is much, much higher than that. So they're making several $1,000s a month. The next niche is health and wellness. An example of that type of niche is Doc Unlock. And we can take a look at their channel here and see that they have videos that have over 1 million views, and they're just stock footage, and they have a voiceover, and that's very easy to outsource. They get around 3,000 subscribers a month, and you can see their top video is 7 million views, and that has to do with why give up smoking. So they're just stating some facts and having some video stock footage. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. And if we take a look at their Social Blade stats, they're making probably thousands of dollars a month. Again, this isn't always accurate because we don't know what their CPM is. For example, my channel niche is Make Money Online, and my average channel CPM is $59. So it doesn't say that on my Social Blade stats, so this isn't exactly accurate, but it kind of gives us an idea of how many views they get. So if you know around the amount that that type of channel makes, you can estimate how much they make a month. The next niche is very profitable still, Make Money Online. An example channel is Finance Girl. Take a look at this channel. So it's based around making money online and just a lot of different ideas of how you can do that. For example, the latest one that they posted just 13 hours ago already has 6,000 views and 354 views per hour. And they are getting 48,000 subscribers a month. And you can see their most popular video is 1.2 million, and they do have another video that is 1 million. And the really cool part is they started February 17th, 2021. So it's not even 1 year old. So they haven't even been around more than a year. And I will tell you, based on what my friend told me that he does with his faceless channels that I was telling you about, is you find popular videos that are already doing well, give it to your team, you tell them to make something similar. Obviously don't copy it, but you model your channel after videos that are already doing really, really well. And that's how you grow fast, and that's how they have done this. Okay, the next channel idea is in car and car repair. An example channel is Bladed Angel. And you can see what they do here. They have a voiceover. And again, on this channel, they never show their face. Some examples are 21 best to worst cars. So they just do a listicle type of video. They get 4,000 subscribers a month. Most popular video, 5 million views. And they have several videos that have over 1 million views. So if you're into cars, this might be a good channel idea for you. And you can see what their Social Blade stats are. I don't really know what the CPM is for the car niche, but you can imagine that with it being very targeted to people who like cars, that advertisers will pay to advertise on your channel, and I would imagine that they would pay very well for that. The next niche is dinosaurs. If you like dinosaurs, this is a great idea for you. Let's check out this example channel, Mega Dinosaurs. And this is like an animated channel, and then they have a voiceover. It's really cool. You need to check this out here. So they're just comparing different types of dinosaurs in these last videos that they have, animated with voiceover. It's a really fun channel to have. If you take a look at their Social Blade stats, they may make a little bit less, but if you're into dinosaurs, again, this might be a good idea for you. Okay, the next channel idea is finance. And an example channel is Economics Explained. So let's take a look at this channel. They have 1.59 million subscribers. They get 150,000 subscribers a month. And you can see that this video here got 1.2 million views, and that was just 4 days ago. And their most popular video is 4.6 million views, and that was just 1 month ago. So if you like to talk about economics, this might be a great channel idea for you. And we can take a look at their Social Blade stats, anywhere from $1,600 to $25,000 a month in just ad revenue alone. And again, make sure you stick around because in just a minute, we're going to talk about how you can double and triple this money. The next channel idea is personal finance. And an example channel is Next Level Life. Let's take a look at this channel. So again, he's talking about personal finance. He gets 16,000 subscribers a month. And you can see the type of videos that he makes is answering your 5 most common money questions. And his most popular video is 1.7 million views. That was a year ago. But you can see that he has a lot of videos that have done very, very well. And if we look at his Social Blade stats, you can see it's anywhere from $318 to $5,100. But I know for a fact personal finance has a very high CPM. And I would say it was anywhere from $30 to $40 per 1,000 views. So you can multiply this at least by 6, and that's probably around what they make a month. The next one is web hosting software. An example channel is Create WordPress Site. So if you know something about a certain software, you can create a whole channel around it, and you never have to show your face. You could just do a screen capture and turn off the camera, and then just do different topics on that particular software. So this channel, they just tell you everything that you need to know about a WordPress site. And you can see their most popular video is 844,000 views. A couple years ago. So even though he may not be making as much money with Google AdSense revenue, you can see his Social Blade stats here, he's probably making a lot of money with the software that he's recommending, because you can see that he does have an affiliate link in the description of his videos. And the next niche is psychology. An example channel is Practical Psychology. And you can see they have over 2 million subscribers. They get 20,000 subscribers a month. And their most popular video is 22 million views, and that was 5 years ago. And you can see several of their videos have millions of views. And you can see what their Social Blade stats are here. I'm not really sure what the CPM is for the psychology niche, but I can imagine that they're making some pretty good money if they have over 2 million subscribers. Now, some tips to make even more money is you can add affiliate links relating to the video topic in the description of your video. You want to create longer videos, at least 8 minutes, so that you can place an ad in the middle of your video. If it's less than 8 minutes, you can only place an ad at the beginning and the end of your video. So for example, a place that you can go to get affiliate products to put in the description of your video, this is completely free, is Digistore24, and I like this because it's available in all countries, not just in the United States. So once you sign up for free, you can go to the marketplace. And for example, if you have a cryptocurrency channel, you can go here and just type in crypto. And I found this one right here. It got good reviews and the sales page looks really good. I took a look at it, but you can earn $253 per sale. This is what the sales page looks like. You can take a look at it. It is a video course for beginners in cryptocurrency. So this is a good thing that you can put in the description of your video. And again, you can find any affiliate products in here pretty much relating to the topic of your channel. Also have a call to action for people to click the link in the description of your video. So you can say, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, click the first link in the description below this video, and that way they're directed there to check it out. Something else that can make you even more money is that you can have channels in different languages. So let's say you get one going in English, and then you can have it translated in different languages. You could start another one in Spanish or French or all different kinds of languages, and there are channels out there doing this exact thing, and they're making really good money because they have the same content, they're just translating it into different languages. So these are some ideas to make even more money with your channel. So I hope you go out there and make some really good money on YouTube. And if you like this video, I think you really love this video coming up, how to make $100 per day for free with affiliate marketing. Go ahead and click here, it's getting started right now.